Meaning of insatiably.
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 Insatiably. The word insatiably means having an insatiable or unquenchable desire, often for something specific. It implies a strong and constant craving that is difficult to satisfy. People who are insatiable always want more and are never content with what they have. This can lead to feelings of dissatisfaction and restlessness, as well as a relentless pursuit of their desires. Ultimately, being insatiable can be both a blessing and a curse, as it can lead to great achievements and success but also result in a never-ending search for more.